It's the Jayden Gaming HD and JaydenVlog HD news, Tuesday the 5th of November 2019. Hello there, it's Tuesday the 5th of November 2019, but for this, we are just over now onto the second. Right now it's 13 minutes and 46 seconds, but now we're going to be promising of what promises to be an amazing fireworks display in Minecraft. It will be absolutely fantastic, but all of that to come in many parts of the world. In Emmerdale 2017 Bonfire Night, the policeman has returned to the Bonfire Night so far.
You couldn't have read the warrant, Mr. Bond. It's in safe hands.
The police returned to the Bonfire for 2017.
Nobody's laughing. I'm sorry to make Gabby's having a bad day. Someone killed Abby.
It's just 11 minutes to go until over remaining of the fireworks. Over just about. It's over. Just Minecraft coming over to lit up some fireworks. But it's just coming on to extremely over the news. But in New Year for 2016 in Dubai, the 63 tower has had over just a few hours over before midnight. Dubai, over 16 people were hurt. But the building's automatic fire assistance has an inside time to escape for New Year 2016. So this is the building where it happened on New Year's Eve for 2016. Over 16 people were hurt. But the building's automatic fire assistance has got an inside time to just over to escape. And it's been over for the New Year for 2016, Burj Al Arab over. But the tallest building of Dubai is called Al Khalifa. So as you can see here, we are just about 7.5 minutes now. If you're just going to be liking this video for this news of the 5th of November 2019 for this Tuesday, we're going to be doing some fireworks, lighting up for the fireworks, and there will be a 12-minute display. And for this year, for the new year for 2020, there will be like 26,000 fireworks and also 100,000 projectiles. And we're just about now over 5 minutes now. Over by the time we're just about to explore over to reach up the fireworks, but make sure that you do come back after the break.